So far in this chapter, we've established that we can select columns from an individual table. We can also select more than one column, and we can use things like schema names and aliases to refer to tables indirectly. So now the next simple addition to the learning curve is to select different numbers of columns from a table. So as we've seen in previous examples, this one here, select name from ACT, is going to select a single column from a single table. Control V, go up, hit return. So we get the name column from the ACT table. Now let's go to the next example. And we're going to select all the columns using an asterisk from the show table. So regardless of the names of the columns, how many there are, it will select all the tables from the show table. So if we click this one, hit Control Enter, we get all the columns in the show table. And the same would apply as clicking the data button there, but we can also go back to here and get the same information by doing select star from price. Also note that the case doesn't matter, uppercase, lowercase. What Oracle does is it reinterprets everything as uppercase unless you specifically set it to lowercase. As far as commands are concerned, adding data into tables is different. That is case sensitive. Additionally, passwords are case sensitive in the latest version of Oracle. Let's Control C this so we make sure we have this stored for you. And we'll go back to here. And we'll paste this into here. And here's the basic select list syntax. It says go and get a column, comma, column, 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 or asterisk. And obviously we can add in the aliases and the schemas, but we'll see those in a minute. And here I'm specifically selecting 3 fields. So let's get these 3 fields. And I can also change the order of those 3 fields. So I could take the category, put the category field all the way, or the category ID field that is, all the way down the end. And we lost the little character there. It would give me an error. I don't need to put a space between the comma and the next field name. And there's the next one. We simply rearranged it. So once again, I'm going to go back to here and copy this so you have all these examples in here. In fact, what I should do is delete this and then copy and paste this again. Control V. And what we'll do, take the category ID there. Oh, yes, well, we left the parent ID, didn't we? So let's go back to here. I should have just pasted it. Parent ID. Pretty simple. We've got that stored. So you can select 1, 2, or many columns. They can be many as in asterisk. You can do specific columns. You can reorder the columns and so on and so forth. Pretty simple.